Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to transfer Solana from Coindcx to Phantom wallet. So let's dive into it. So one of the first things to do is to open your Phantom wallet app or the extension on your browser. Then click the deposit and select Solana. So from there, copy your Solana wallet address from Phantom and log into your Coindcx account. So from there, go to the portfolio or the wallet section, search for Solana and click withdraw. Then after that, paste your wallet address in the withdrawal field and select the Solana network. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send and confirm the details and complete the OTP or the 2FA verification, which is your two-factor authentication for verification, and wait for the transaction to complete. So Solana should appear in your Phantom wallet shortly once the network verification is confirmed. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.